Good morning to all and welcome to the session. This session is all about the new course I have just launched. The name of the course is English Grammar Course. And this grammar course is for bank exams, SSC exams, UPSC, SPSC, CAT, CLAT, for that matter, any competitive exam. If you take any competitive exam, usually when it comes to English component, there are three areas. One is grammar, that is a foundation. Second is reading comprehension skill. And the third is vocabulary. But a lot of questions depend on grammar knowledge. Keeping that in mind, this course has been launched. And what are the features of this course? Online lectures, complete grammar concepts, practice questions, topic wise tests. Medium of instruction is English, validity 1 year, and time anytime. These are not live sessions, these are online classes but recorded videos. The launch date is 6th June, that is today. At the outset, why should you learn English grammar? What is the importance of English language? Today, English is not just a language, it is a professional as well as a life skill. It is a language of communication at the workplace. Keeping that in mind, in every competitive exam, proficiency in English is tested. It goes without saying that English plays a crucial role when it comes to selection. If not only that, if one wants to excel in one's career, one has to master English language. It is like Hobson's choice, means no choice at all. If you want to excel in your career, you have to master English language. And if you take language learners broadly, they're divided into three groups: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. Language learners are divided into three groups, and these, if you take beginners and intermediate language learners, they find it difficult to get a good score when it comes to English component. Advanced learners they can manage somehow. Beginners and intermediate language learners find it difficult to answer many questions related to English component. One of the reasons is that they are not good at English grammar. You may wonder, you may ask, we have already learned grammar, school level, but that is known as academic grammar. That is different, and grammar for competitive exams is different. One has to learn the hard way, grammar for competitive exams. So, one of the reasons is that they are not good at English grammar. The course is designed keeping in mind the standards of beginners and intermediate language learners. The course is tailor made and covers all the aspects related to English grammar from competitive exams point of view. Importance of English grammar. If you ask the question, do you have to learn English grammar for competitive exams? The answer is yes. English grammar is a foundation and it is important to master grammar to be able to answer many questions. Grammar knowledge comes in handy while answering questions related to exam topics like error location, phrase replacement, sentence improvement, fillers, close test, etc. Who should enroll in English grammar course? Those who are not good at English grammar, obviously. Those who want to master English grammar. Those who want to score maximum marks, English component. Those who want to have conceptual clarity. Grammar is abstract. Many candidates, many students find grammar difficult to master. One of the reasons for that, grammar is abstract and it is not easy to master abstract concepts. But if you enroll in this course, you can have the concepts are going to be crystal clear. You will get conceptual clarity. Those who want to master grammar rules, competitive exams point of view, you have to learn about 200 grammar rules. Once you enroll in this grammar course, you get all the 200 grammar rules you can master within no time. Those who want to have the competitive edge, if you are good at English grammar, obviously you have the competitive edge. Overview of English grammar course. The syllabus, if you ask the question, what is a syllabus? The syllabus is comprehensive and covers both the basics and the advanced concepts related to English grammar. Covers exam topics like error location, phrase replacement, sentence improvement, etc. Students gain insights into English grammar and this helps in the long run. Syllabus of English Grammar course. Tips to master grammar, tips to master parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, verbs, modals, adjectives, adverbs, degrees of comparison, prepositions, conjunctions, articles. These go with parts of speech except the articles. Then we have core grammar, tenses, question tags, voice, speech, conditionals, Concord, types of sentences, a redundancy, parallel expression, etc. Is grammar course useful for all competitive exams? The answer is yes. English grammar course is useful for competitive exams conducted by UPSC, IBPS, SSC, SPSC, any competitive exam for that matter. Grammar is the foundation. One has to be good at grammar. It is useful for entrance exams like CAT, CLAT, etc. Not only competitive exams but also entrance exams. What are the course features? Basic to advanced level, all grammar concepts, topic wise tests, classes only in English, no regional language, 60 plus hours of 60 plus hours only for grammar. That is more than what you need. I'm going to cover every aspect that goes with English grammar from competitive exams point of view. How can you enroll? You need the app. First, you have to go to Google Play Store, download the app, search for Murthy's English, download the app Murthy's English, go to courses, not batches, courses, and purchase the course. You have all the videos, 60 plus hours, so many videos, concepts related, topic wise exercises. How long is it valid? Once you purchase the course, the validity 1 year from the date of joining. Whenever you purchase a course from that date, 1 year from the date of purchasing or enrolling or joining. What is the difference between offline classes and online classes? Some students wonder why should we enroll in an online course? Let us have a quick look. Offline, if you're in a particular session, you can listen to the faculty only one time. Online, you can watch the video any number of times, validity 1 year, many a time. This is an advantage for beginners and intermediate language learners. Regular classes, offline classes, one session, one time. If at all you want to interact once, twice, you can interact and you cannot ask a lot of questions. But online videos, online course, any number of times and 1 year time. And this is going to help beginners and intermediate language learners. Offline classes, specific time, something like 10 to 11 or 11 to 12, but online anytime. Midnight also you can watch, absolutely no problem. Doubts during the session. During the session, only during the session you can ask doubts offline. But online, there's a group and you can ask doubts anytime if you don't understand. Validity usually offline 3 months, but here online 1 year. Offline, you have to be at one particular place, only from one place, a particular city, a particular town. But online, from anywhere, any part of the country, anywhere, you can watch the videos. Why with Murthy's? 25 years of teaching experience, trained thousands of students, systematic, known for systematic teaching, exam centric and student centric approach. If you want more information about English grammar course for all competitive exams, don't hesitate to call us the number 7032325590. Thank you very much.